Why does your lens suffer from severe light decay and unclear illumination? The X80 High Convergence Dual Light Lens addresses these issues effectively. With a high beam output of 80 watts and a low beam of 66 watts, the X80 utilizes a 12+1 chip configuration to form a 12+1 LED array, enhancing brightness by over 3 times and instantly flooding your surroundings with intense, superior illumination. Its high-definition glass lens and precision-engineered spotlight cup minimize light dispersion, ensuring concentrated light beams and unparalleled clarity. The ultra-wide light pattern seamlessly integrates high and low beams, delivering comprehensive visibility whether navigating expansive highways or twisting rural roads. Customization options including left-hand drive, right-hand drive, and flat cutoff line variants allow DIY tailoring to meet diverse preferences. Thermal management is revolutionary. A high-speed silent fan ensures consistent airflow. Alloy fins boost heat dissipation efficiency by 40%, and optimized aluminum materials elevate overall thermal performance by another 40%, guaranteeing reliability under extreme conditions. For wholesalers, the X80 represents a breakthrough product poised to dominate the market. Partnering with us guarantees stable inventory, competitive pricing, and robust after-sales support. Join our network to capitalize on this high-demand innovation and expand your market reach in the automotive lighting industry.